Birds that eat termite alates. After good rains, the winged termites leave the colony and they form new colonies. After mating, they land on the ground and get rid of their wings, like these on the left, and their shed wings are on the right. Here they are emerging from their colony under the ground and they're taking to the air. When they land on the ground again, they are at their most vulnerable. Most birds will feast on the flying termites, or alates, and this male amethyst sunbird was battling to get this one down its long curved beak. It bashed it on the branch for about 3 minutes before finally swallowing it. Seed-eating birds like this little bronze mannequin enjoy the smaller termite alates. They have to remove the wings first, though. Laughing doves also love alates, but they usually feast on the ones that have already lost their wings. The seed-eating pin-tailed wider male was feasting on an alate after a good downpour. And watch the southern grey-headed sparrow swallow the body of the alate and bash the wings on the branch to remove them. Look how this village weaver holds the alate with its foot and removes each wing before swallowing it. Swifts and swallows love hawking these termite alates aerially when they take to the air. And watch how low they hawk when there's a termite eruption in the southern Karoo.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.